Okay, this is Kosho. We just got chased out by the awesome security guard over at a vacant parking lot because everywhere seems to be full of people playing soccer and school. So anyway, I'm at another spot with a construction zone and a bunch of car noise. I would think you could fly here. So here we go, 360 this time, because I need to get warmed up. See how this bad boy does. I don't know. For the people that are complainers. No complainers. Oh, spool up, baby. Whoop. I actually fly better when I get mad, so. This is a stock 6250. Literally no modifications at all. I'm flying with 0 expo, which is really weird to me, but it does work good. And the tail holds great on this one. Smart G2 LiPo. It's rocking. Just a 3S on this one. Plenty of power for me. Just gotta be nice on the collective, that's all. Has full telemetry. Tail holds great. Yeah, the battery's evidently dead because it's alarming at me. Oh, now we're in safe mode. No wonder it felt so weird for a second. Safe mode initiated. So I turned safe mode on in mine and you can see it's in safe mode. It does return to center. Don't dirt up your helicopter. Okay, stock 6250, tail holding great on this model. Gonna copy that PID setting and put it on my 480. See how close that gets me before I turn this off. See what's up. Hey buddy.